The Triumph isn't starting.
And here it is, a 2014 Triumph Scrambler. In my previous videos we've done a few modifications, but here today we're going to try and find the issue, stopping it from starting.
The bike isn't starting, so I'm going to check the battery first. I do get power, but when I try and start the engine, it just clicks. As the fuel pump can be heard priming, I'm not convinced it's the actual battery, but it's worth checking anyway.
Off comes the seat. Let's check this battery.
Just going to use my multimeter to make sure we're getting about 12, just over 12 volts I think. Here's my multimeter. What I want to do is connect my black probe to the COM port and the red probe to this right port here. As it's a 12 volt battery, I need to turn the gauge to 20 volts. Should be good now. Let's check the battery. Let's put the red probe on the positive side and the negative. You can see that reading 12.7 volts. The battery's good. I think next would be checking the fuse box to make sure we don't have any broken fuses. That's underneath this cover here. So if I take this off, there we go. I can see the fuse box here. I want to just disconnect the battery first before checking. Get the wires out of the way. Alright, let's check these fuses. My bike actually comes with a little tool to help you get them out easy. I think I want to check these two, but the back of this actually has a diagram. Yeah, let's check which appears to be an engine one for the battery. Not actually sure what this one is, but the rest just look like lights. So I'm going to check all these ones here. Looks perfectly fine, not broken at all. Same again. I would say these ones here we should check. Yes, they all look fine to me. Someone has previously actually painted them with a marker, make it a bit easier to see where they go back in. If you can see there, it's also marked as well. So I'd say the fuses are fine. The next step, I'd say, is to make sure the power from the battery is getting to the starter relay. I need to get behind this panel here to look at the starter relay side, but I'm unable to undo this bolt. This screw actually, by the looks of it. I might just have to try and lift this off and have a look behind. So here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Terminal cover has come off. Should be able to get to that and test it with my multimeter, see if it's getting power. Let's have a look. I've reconnected the battery terminals, and let's use my multimeter now. See if we're getting any power. Might be a bit difficult, it's a bit awkward. So let's connect it to the red terminal, the positive terminal. That's so awkward. Let's have a look here. Must be an easy way to do this. There we go, jam that in there. Okay, so power's coming to that side. I don't expect it to read anything on the left side now until we try the ignition switch. Let's put that there. Right, it's going to be so awkward. I need to hold all these things in place and put the clutch down and hit the starter button. There we go. Nothing at all. Let's make sure everything's connected. Let's go that side again. Yeah, so it's connected. Okay, connected to the left side. Nothing at all. Let's hit this start switch. Okay, so I think I found the problem. That looks like a 10 to me, so let me just get a socket for that. We can take it out. Seems to be a bit of corrosion here. Could be a sign water got to it. I think I'll need to change this over for a new one. It's come in the post already. Can fit it now. We can get the bike back on the road. Hope that it's the right one. Looks similar to me. Got the old one here, so this is actually contained within some sort of sleeve. Let me try and get it out. Come on, let's fit this. Let's get the bike working again. Do the same but in reverse order. There's two brackets in there that it sits on nicely. Let's fit that in all the way. I should have taken the nuts off first. Let's go. Yeah, definitely should have taken the nuts off first. Let's take it out again. Do. Get to him now. Not being able to remove this cover has made it so much more awkward. I need to sort that out. Cool. Terminals on. Life is never easy. Okay, we're going on straight now. Good. Cover them back up with these protective sleeves, and then put the terminals back on like that. There should be another one in here. Yeah, they look fine to me, no corrosion seen. And let's place this whole thing back on these two mounts. There we go. Way back in. Okay, everything pressed in nice and tight. Right, moment of truth. Let's connect the battery. Let's connect the battery back up and see if it starts up. Pump is priming. Start finish. Thankfully it was easy fix this time. It was about $19.99 from eBay job.
Thanks for sticking with me through this troubleshooting journey. Hopefully we can get back to the modifications in the next videos.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.